Today I'm going to be trying out some lip products from Gabriel Cosmetics. I have a lip liner, lip gloss, and 2 lipsticks. This lip liner is in the color Nutmeg. Alright, so I'm going to be putting on, I think this is Tayup. I don't know if I said that right. So for Matte Cersei, I don't know if I'm saying any of these names right. It's a more darker color, so I'm not going to put the lip liner on because it doesn't match. But it's like a purple, like a nice plump color. I don't really know how I feel about this color. I don't really like dark lipsticks on me, but it was really easy to apply. But since it's so easy, it's really easy to mess up, and I had to fix it here. I'm going to be trying out the lip gloss now. I really like this one. I love the gold in it. It makes it extra shiny.